Why do you need local reviews? First, views help you to get found online. Online reviews and specific keywords influence local search engine visibility more than any other factor. When consumers search for a local business, the rating and the number of viewers affect your ranking. Next, credibility and social proof. Credibility and social proof serves as your validation and simplify your customers' buying decisions. It can be a way to increase conversions by showing customers how a popular product or service is. And consumers are doing your marketing for you. As we all know, customers are essential because they drive revenues. Without them, businesses can't continue to exist. Positive reviews are like a micro-marketing campaign that keep working long after the online assessment has been posted, providing thus a constant positive image to potential customers and creating continued brand awareness.